Now, what is the key to understanding the science of nature? Well, we just indicated what it is. But at paragraph 381 in The Science of Spirit, Hegel expresses it quite simply and beautifully when he says, nature has vanished. Spirit being the truth, the sole truth of nature. This means that, one, in the end, in the final analysis, in truth, nature, matter, and all its forms are nothing. They have no true being, or as Hegel says, are ideal, which is the true meaning of absolute idealism. Simply put, quote, the real nature is ideal, and the ideal, spirit, mind, thought, is real. Nature has vanished also means that in the science of nature, we move gradually by stages from space, externality, and gravity, where no 2 points coincide, to the opposite, to the soul, interiority, spirit, where all points coincide, that is, to absolute unity. Another key to the science of nature is, since logic's concept is the absolute truth and true reality, and nature is simply the immediate manifestation of the concept, albeit outside of itself, we can expect to find the concept and its moments, universality, particularity, individuality, within nature and its various forms. And here is revealed the most important key to understanding nature, which Hegel expresses in paragraph 270's Zusatz, or commentary, Miller, page 80. Quote, in nature's first process, the solar system, the concept's differences, UPI, enjoy a free, separate existence as the sun, the planet, the moon, and comets. We shall pursue, says Hegel, the solar, planetary, lunar, and cometary natures through all the further stages of nature. Indeed, the deepening of nature is nothing but the progressive transformation of these four.